Alright, y'all, we're back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris and trash pickup day in our community. So we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But we got to get going because somebody's out to get the plants. Who is it?
British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. Teddy also has surf camp pretty early this morning, so we got to get going here, y'all. We will get back with you when we get something good. Big pile of nothing. This is what most of the piles look like that we pass. We gotta search through every one of them to get the good stuff. All right, we got some tea plant cuttings down there. You want to grab them up, kiddo? See what they look like? Oh, they look pretty good. These root from cuttings real easy, so we'll definitely save these from the trash. All right, we rolled up on some snake plant here. Looks like there's some cuttings of other stuff in there. Philodendrons and other stuff, but oh no, is there roots on any of it?
No.
Oh. All right. We'll leave it. Alright, 2 pallets of sod. I'll take it. Of course, I guess this probably isn't up for grabs, but, and the golf cart probably couldn't even hold like a fifth of that.
Yeah.
If it was up for grabs.
It couldn't hold a fifth of that.
Yeah, I know. Alright, we'll have to leave it. Alright, we got some rubber tree here, some ficus. Teddy's looking for the clippers because I don't think they're in there, kiddo. Maybe just grab a piece or two. There's a good piece right there.
Yeah.
This one's super easy to root from cutting. So we'll see if Teddy can find a piece or two to grab. We'll save them from the trash. Oh, Teddy. A refrigerator for your room. What do you think?
Yeah.
Keep all your snacks in there?
Yeah.
Hide them from your little brothers?
No, I'll just take all your snacks.
Yeah, right.
I don't want all grab.
All right, here is some beautiful cuttings of plumeria.
White.
We know it's white by the color right there. Oh man, these are some healthy cuttings.
I don't think we have this just white.
I'm not sure. I think we do, but I don't know. We'll definitely save some of these cuttings from the trash. Okay, so hiding underneath this pile, oh, there's some nice ones. This some Song of India cuttings, the variegated variety. Get that one in the back there. That one looks good. Yeah. We'll try and.
And some milkweed growing through the pile.
Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, grab that piece. Let's show them real quick. This is the variegated variety. Another one you can root easily from cuttings. So we'll save some of these from the trash. All right, here's a whole pile of Dracaena. Oh, those are nice cuttings too. Yeah. Look at that. This is such an easy one to root from cuttings. We're definitely, you need to grab more of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna save, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these from the trash. All right, here's a cool, looks like there's some Dracaena right there, and then here's some kind of cool succulent vine. Will you grab some of that? Grab a whole pile of that. Your mom's gonna like that.
Yeah, and our grandma.
I don't know what it is. We'll have to look this up, but it looks like a cool, oh, that's awesome. Yeah, we're bringing that home. We're saving that from the trash for sure. All right, here's a metal hurricane panel. Funny story is, when I moved to Florida, I'd never put up hurricane panels before, and we had a whole pile of these in our garage. I thought it was just metal roofing that I didn't need, and I threw them all away.
Oh, I remember that.
And then I had to go buy new ones.
Yeah.
Dumb newbie move. All right, here's some beautiful little aloe cuttings that someone left out for us. You see something else?
Plant.
Oh, yep, and some clusia. All right, get that. Go ahead, we'll get a couple, we'll save a couple of these autograph plant cuttings, and we're definitely gonna save, I'd say all of those.
Yeah, all.
Yeah, let's grab all of those little aloe cuttings. Sweet. All right, Teddy's got some kitchen cabinets to go with this refrigerator.
Yeah.
Yeah, now all we need is a sink and countertop and stove, and you could have your own little kitchen in your room. All right, Teddy spotted some leaves sticking out of this can. Looks like bromeliads. They are bromeliads. Are they just leaves? I don't know. Check to see if there's 1 or 2 in there. Pull the whole clump out. There we go. We'll have to clean up. We're not going to leave a mess here. We're going to get that 1 million and clean up our mess. At least save one of these from the trash. All right, we got a whole pile of Dracaena and Song of India here.
Yeah, and some grass.
We already, oh yeah, we got that grass already. We already got some Song of India today, but we're definitely going to grab these. Oh yeah, maybe get some of that variegated grass. And then show them this Dracaena real quick, kiddo.
Oh yeah, they're really cool. I think they're the Marginata.
Yeah, that's an awesome variegated
Yeah.
variety. So we'll definitely save some of those from the trash. All right, we just left that last pile, and Teddy was going to put the Song of India in the trash can, and he spotted a monarch caterpillar right there. This is not the host plant of the monarch caterpillar.
No, it's milkweed.
Yeah, so let's be real careful with this guy, and we'll bring him home and stick him on a milkweed plant.
Yeah, I'll just hold him.
Yeah, good eye, kiddo.
Thanks.
All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
We got some good stuff. We actually got a new plant that we don't have. But first, I think we need to take care of our monarch caterpillar here. You want to bring it over here, kiddo?
Yeah.
We'll show everybody again. So Teddy spotted this monarch caterpillar. Where is it? On this Song of India here. And this is not the host plant for the Song of India. The host plant is down here. We actually have two kinds of milkweed here. This red and orange one is a tropical milkweed. It's not really the best for the monarch caterpillars or butterflies, but this is a native one right here. So let's go ahead and put them on this orange
We
one.
actually have a third kind that's pink, I think.
But yeah, we bought a native kind that's pink,
Yes. All right, well, let's get him on there. You want to help, sweetie, or you got him? You're real careful, real gentle with him. See if we can just
I don't think that's gonna work.
see if we can get him onto that milkweed there. Another thing we could do is just leave this.
Here he goes. He smells it. Hold on. It's right here, buddy. Come on. There you go.
There.
No, not me. There you go. Yeah, that's what you're looking for.
Have you done the transfer? No.
Oh, he's going. Come on.
All right, there we go. All right. Put him deeper in that plant. Yeah, he's just gonna fall off the. There we go. There we go. All right. Now he can eat his way to freedom.
Yes, he can.
All right, let's show everybody else what we got here.
Where'd Teddy go?
Teddy went inside for a minute.
All right. Well, I can.
All right, so we got Song of India. We have more of that in the pile somewhere. But let's go ahead and start with the,
This one's right on top. This one needs to go right into a hanging pot.
So this is,
Spider plant.
yeah, look at the tubular roots on that. It's
So-
crazy.
Each of these little guys here can turn into a mother plant. And this is a really good plant for cleaning the air in your house.
All right, cool.
So a lot of like offices and stuff grow
All
there.
right.
Okay.
All right, keep pulling. What else we got?
This.
Oh, the little guy wants to come out. Come on, you can come out. Here comes Remy. Don't let the puppies out. All right, what you got, kiddo?
Dracaena Marginata.
Dracaena, yeah, and I love this variety.
Yeah.
Look at all the different colors.
Some berries now.
You can go get some
All right, so
berries.
pull all that
Yeah.
out. Let's go ahead and pull all that out.
Yeah, this one's cool. It's like a big long stick for a tiny little plant.
It almost looks like it's a like a wand,
Yeah,
fairy
giant
princess
one.
wand. All right, we got several cuttings of that though, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, so plop all those in the pile
and
there.
some Song of India hitchhiker.
Yeah, go ahead and put the Song of India over there. We've already shown everybody the Song of India. All right, what else you got?
I'll go with the Dracaena.
All right, pull it out. All right, Dracaena. I think some
These
people
were
call
real
this the
good.
dragon tree. Look at that cutting though. You can just stick that right in the ground. So we'll instantly have like a 4-foot plant right there.
Yeah, it's.
Now, that's great.
It's taller than me, so it's.
Well, once it goes in the ground, I mean.
Oh
Yeah. All right, cool. And we got lots of cuttings of that, right?
Yeah. We got like.
Yeah, pull them all out.
This.
You might want to bring that little one in. There's bugs out here bad.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes are bad.
We wanted to.
All right, we got several cuttings though. Looks like there's a bunch of little air plants or something all over the
looks like lichens.
Oh,
to
it
me.
is lichens. Yep, all over the trunk of it. All right, cool.
Those look
More
nice.
Song
More Song of India.
Let's. Oh, this plumeria.
Yes.
I think we have the white kind. It's
Wait.
just white.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so where's the flower? That's a beautiful cutting right there. I think we have one with flowers on it. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
It's a pure white kind.
They
So
don't
these
s-
aren't quite as fragrant as
Yeah,
the.
that's what I was just about to say.
They still
Oh,
smell
they
pretty
smell
good.
pretty good. Yeah,
But yeah, the yellow one you can't beat.
yeah.
No.
Those are some nice cuttings, though.
Yeah, they
I
are.
regret not getting more of them.
Oh, here's another one.
All right, well, we got 3.
Yeah, I got the third
All right. What else we got?
plant.
Tea
This
plants.
Did not want to be like the others and wanted to grow down.
Yeah, it did. So this is the red sister right here. You can see that it already flowered. It's probably why someone set it out, but you can just stick this right in the ground. It will root from cuttings super easy. Super easy.
These are a little sorry.
Yeah, we got some sorry ones. We might not put all of those in the ground. I'll be
Oh,
honest.
here's another one.
Another tea plant?
Yep.
Let me see, let me see. Okay, it's kind of a sorry one too.
Sorry.
Yeah. All right, what else we got?
Ficus.
Ficus, rubber tree. And here's an example. You can see the kind of latex sap that's coming out of it where we cut it. This one is so easy to root from cuttings though, and that'll get massive. There's no doubt.
And more song of
All right. What else? Is that whole bin?
Yep.
All right.
Now we'll get the vermilion.
Yep, we got this one bromeliad. It doesn't have a lot of roots on it, but really, these things are so tough. I bet we could still stick that in the ground and get it to take off, or to shoot off a pup at least. Looks like it's kind of a medium-sized bromeliad.
We might not have that one.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we do.
That one almost looks like the pink one we have growing over there by the gumbo limbo. That's
Yeah.
like curly.
You can see it's falling apart though. I don't know. We'll try and save it. But.
Okay, here's your ice.
All right, so this is a new plant for us. This is kind of the point. You know, like we get a lot of the same stuff every week, but the real goal as, you know, plant lovers and plant collectors is to get new stuff, different varieties, and this is a plant we don't have.
We do have that.
Where?
In the front by our pile. Bev gave me some. The first time I met her for a plant trade, she
Okay.
gave me a whole bunch of
You
it.
sure it's still there?
No, I'm not sure it's still
Okay.
there, but we planted it over there.
I don't think we have this one in
think
our yard, and this is such
anymore.
a look at this juicy.
leaf.
That is a juicy. Yeah.
It gets
Okay,
a
so
really
there's
bright
Teddy got a ton of
flower
it.
Yeah,
on
there's more of it, but the aloe is covering it up.
Okay. Oh yeah, so the aloe, if you guys remember, we got some beautiful little cuttings of aloe. Someone set these out nicely.
Lots of
For
people
someone
were
to take.
setting out stuff. For
Yeah, the ice plant was set out in nice little piles
it was
too.
real nice because it makes it a lot easier than having to dig through the trash.
Yeah,
Is
those.
this a different kind?
Well, I don't think so.
It has an interesting
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I don't think it's a different kind.
But yeah.
super cool.
We got them all because they were just such nice cuttings.
Oh yeah, and aloe's so useful.
Yeah, I know. For sunburns,
But I feel like
it's an instant fix.
I feel like they don't grow like this, the ones we have. That's a
Maybe it's a different kind. I don't know. It looks like the same one that we have to me, but.
I think there's a lot of different kinds.
My favorite, one of my
Well, we got a lot of those. Holy cow!
any more?
Yeah, there's
Look at that. We could just get rid of our grass and have aloe. Field of aloe.
Would
Our
be
skin
the
would be
most
so
pleasant
nice.
to the touch.
All right, come on, yank all that aloe out. Let's get on to the
Trying,
next plant
trying,
here.
trying. It's a
Oh
little,
my gosh.
It's a little spiky.
The aloe.
Mhm.
Oh my goodness, we did get a lot of it.
It's like pulling a rabbit out of a hat here. All right, that's it.
Finally.
All right, so there's our pile of aloe right there. Oh, the mosquitoes are bad. So next we got some more Dracaena. This is a
Yeah.
different variety
Yeah, this has more of a red.
and a longer
border.
leaf than this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Um,
let's put it
Yeah, that's
right.
the shorter kind.
Yeah,
And
I love the
I
shorter.
like the shorter
Yeah, I like the
kind.
shorter
I like
kind.
little
Yeah.
pom poms.
That one's cool too, though.
yeah, it's like more Christmassy.
Oh, they're just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, you guys got a lot of stuff to do.
Yeah, we
You
did.
finish shaking all this
In the beginning, we didn't get much, but okay, here's another one.
autograph plant.
Yep, the
guys have gone a
clusia,
while.
or the autograph plant. So it's called that because you can take a little nail or your fingernail and write your name in it, and it will stay on that leaf as long as the leaf's alive.
You guys got a lot of.
I don't think we got a lot of this though. We only got a couple cuttings of this.
Yeah.
We got a whole pile of the ice plant.
Yeah.
Yep. Here's more.
Is that all the Quincia?
There's more aloe.
Okay, we just leave the aloe in there.
No,
Is there
that's
anything
the
new in
last
there
piece.
that we haven't shown anybody?
No, just ice plant.
Here, I'll just show everybody how much ice plant we got. We can leave it in there, but we got a whole bucket of it. All right, so cool. We got a lot of good stuff today. I don't know if I'm more stoked about the ice plant or the plumeria. I don't know. What are you the most stoked about, Teddy?
The ice plant.
The ice plant. Oh, Teddy's got to pull it all out. What's he gonna do? There it is.
Right.
All right.
I'm excited about the spider plant
Okay.
because I love those plants.
You gonna put it in a pot?
Yeah, I need a hanging pot. I'm sure we have one somewhere.
All right. All right. Well, we got a whole smorgasbord of stuff here, didn't we?
Yeah, you guys put some time in this morning. You were
Yep.
gone a long time.
Yeah, we probably
12
went
different types of plants.
12 or 15 miles, and Teddy's got surf camp here soon, so we're gonna
Yeah.
have to wrap this
12
up.
different
Yeah.
types of plants.
Do you think
Sweet.
this will make it? To surf
Yeah, I'm
camp?
gonna have to plug it in. I don't know. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure here. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we found today, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get cut up by a whole bunch of aloe.
Oh, you're gonna get cut up by aloe. Ha ha ha. You don't want that to happen. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.